Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install NetBeans IDE on your Windows 8 or Windows 8.1 operating system. NetBeans IDE is a IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, using which you can develop Java, PHP or C++ or many other programs related to Java. So to install NetBeans IDE, what you need is the basic dependency of NetBeans IDE is the Java. You need to have Java installed in your Windows operating system. So first of all, we will download and install Java, and then we are going to install NetBeans IDE. So just open your favorite browser and just search for Java JDK. And the first link here you will find will be from oracle.com. Just click this link, and here you will be able to see this Java icon. Just click this Java icon, and in here you will be able to see different versions of Java. So you just need to accept license and conditions, and then you will just need to install this Windows binary or Windows executable file. If you are using Windows 8 or 8.1, most probably you will be having a 64-bit operating system, so you need to choose this last option. Just click this and the download will start. And the installation of this Java is really easy. You just need to click some next button and it will automatically takes care of itself. Once this installation of Java is completed, you will be able to see this Java folder inside your local disk or C folder. Go inside your C folder, and in here you will be able to see one folder called program files, and in here you can see this Java folder. In here you will be able to see two folders. One is JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit, and the other folder will be JRE, which stands for Java Runtime Environment. Now, in order to develop Java programs in your NetBeans IDE, you just need to set these environment variables to your operating system. So just search for system in your PC, and in the system just click this advanced system settings, and in here go to environment variables, and in the system variables you will be able to find a variable called path, and in here you just need to copy, or you just need to go to this JDK folder, and inside go to binary folder and copy this whole path. Here all the binary files related to Java are there. So just copy this path and just give a semicolon after your all the environment variables. So just go at the last in this variable value and give a semicolon and just paste your folder location. Same we will do for the JRE folder. So inside this there will be a JRE folder also, and in here there will be a binary folder. So just copy this path and then just give a semicolon and paste this path. Click OK, click OK, and click OK. So now all the environment variables are set. Now we are ready to download and install NetBeans IDE. So just search for NetBeans on your favorite search engine, and the first link you will find here from netbeans.org. So we will click this link, and in here we will be able to find this NetBeans IDE. The latest version at the time of making this video is 8.0.2. Just click this download button here, and in here in the download section you will be able to see some of the versions of NetBeans IDE. So there are versions which which you can download for developing Java SE or Java EE or only for C++ or only for HTML5 and PHP development. But the one I would prefer is the whole package, which is this one. So just click this download button in front of this all section. It's a big file or executable file, but later your difficulties will be less whenever you want to develop some other software or languages. So just click this link, and this will lead to this download link, and just save this. And it can take some time to download, so just wait for it to download. And once it's downloaded, you will be able to see this kind of executable file. Okay, so NetBeans minus 8.0.2 minus Windows. Just click this executable file here, which you have downloaded for NetBeans, and click yes. And I will minimize all the other things. And now the setup for the NetBeans will start in some moments. So now it's configuring the installer for the NetBeans. And now you will be able to confirm here that this NetBeans IDE is going to install all these features in your IDE. Just click finish or next, and in here you just need to read this license terms and condition, and if you agree with these terms and condition, just click I accept and click next. And in here also some terms and condition, click I accept and next. And this is the location where your NetBeans IDE will be installed. And see here, whenever you have installed Java, this JDK folder location is automatically taken by NetBeans. So that's why we have installed Java in our system, so that it can automatically recognize this JDK folder. Just click next, and it says that it's also going to install Glassfish, which is a server, and the location is default. I'm going to leave it as default and click next, and I will click install. Just wait for this process to complete. So now our installation is complete, and just leave this checkbox clicked and click finish. And now you can see this NetBeans icon here, right? So you can click this icon to launch NetBeans IDE. Just click this icon. And now we are ready to create our first project in NetBeans IDE. Let's create a Java project. So go to the file menu here, create new project, and in here you will be able to find a different kind of project you want to make using Java. So let's click Java and click Java application, click next, and in here it will activate your Java SE. And you can give the name to your project, and these are the default location. I'm going to click finish, and your first Java program is created by NetBeans for you. Now in here you can edit this program. This is a default program created by NetBeans, and let's print hello world using this program. So you just need to write system.out.print and let's print hello world. Okay, now just click this save so that program is saved, and you can run this program, but before running you need to build this project. So just click this button here, hammer button, and it will compile your program. And once the program is compiled, you can run your program. So our program is compiled and you can just click run to run your program. And now in the console we can see hello world printed here. So we have successfully installed NetBeans on our Windows 8 operating system. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.